Right, so we're on board the elevator at the Wendover Nugget Casino, and we got a US elevator. This is the main one. Lights don't work. Oh, listen to that motor pitch. And my reflections up there. Okay, if the indicator lights don't work. Huh. This place has the same access system as the other one, I think. This is a cool little hotel. Let's head back down to 3 actually and see if we can cross over to the other side of the United States elevator. Here, let's head over, and these are non-ADA controls. The height is too high. I think it's 3 or 2. No, we'll try 2. That one lights up. I know. Right above my head. Wow, the only working light. That's glorious. It looks like main 2-floor rooms. Okay. Well, that's it for this one.